So my brothers and sisters, moving on. I gathered 15 best types of rizq in life. If you have these, or most of them, then you are the happiest person in the world. Number 1, peace and tranquility of your soul. Ruh. Number 2, purity of your heart. Number 3, clarity of your mind. Number 4, health of the body. Number 5, mental health. Number 6, caring and loving parents. Parents who make dua for you, like your mother, and your father who shows you compassion. Rizq of happiness is, number 7, siblings who love and care for you. Number 8, righteous and loving children, a progeny who smile to you. Number 9, a loving spouse, a loving husband or a loving wife. Number 10, an honest and genuine friend is good rizq in this life. Number 11, iman, your spiritual health. Number 12, knowledge and wisdom. Number 13, material wealth and money. And number 14, a natural respect and acceptance of people for you. Due to your good character, which Allah gives you, and your personality, you find that people lean towards you and accept you, and they like you. But on condition that you're the same in private and in public. That is a sign of good rizq. If you have this or part of it, then know that alhamdulillah, you have a wealth of provision that Allah is looking after you with, my brothers and sisters.